Ends on the 31st of May, just 48 hours from now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has just held a crucial meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah precisely to fine-tune and discuss the future course of action, which will need to be communicated to the states and the country within the next 48 hours. Both the Prime Minister and Amit Shah discussed the modalities for what is being called Lockdown 5, but we're calling it Opening Up 1.0, which may come into effect on the 1st of June. The key huddle comes a day after the Home Minister sought views and suggestions from state chief ministers for what happens starting the 1st of June. Sources say a majority of chief ministers want the lockdown to continue in some ways, but favored the opening up of all economic activities. Goa's chief minister has said that the lockdown may be extended by 15 more days, but many relaxations could be in the offing, including restaurants opening. Maharashtra's cabinet will hold a big review meeting in a short while from now to discuss what happens from the morning of June the 1st. The Punjab government will take a decision on the lockdown on the 30th of May after reviewing the situation. Haryana and Rajasthan have said that they will abide by any decision taken by the centre with regard to the lockdown, and the same goes for Uttar Pradesh as well.
माननीय श्री अमित जी शाह इनके साथ में मेरे टेलीफोनिकली कन्वर्जन हुआ और उसमें मुझे लगता है कि ये लॉकडाउन जिस स्थिति में है उस स्थिति से आगे 15 दिन तक 15 जून तक बढ़ सकता है, लेकिन फिर भी हमारी कोशिश ये है एक दो तीन चीज़ रिलैक्सेशन देना चाहिए. होटल इंडस्ट्री, रेस्टोरेंट इंडस्ट्री, जिम्स, दिस टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. तो हमारी कोशिश यही है कि हमारी रिक्वेस्ट है केंद्र सरकार से, देखते हैं एमएचए की गाइडलाइन के हिसाब से जो कुछ आता है, हम जो स्टेट को रिलैक्सेशन मिलता है तो उसी के हिसाब से हमारी गाइडलाइन आ जाएगी.
31 मई को 4th लॉकडाउन उसकी समय सीमा समाप्त हो गई है और भारत सरकार उसके बारे में चीफ मिनिस्टर से राय मशवरा कर रहे हैं कि उनको क्या मशवरा है. बात ये भी ज़रूरी है कि जो बात कही जाए, जो प्रस्ताव रखा जाए, जो राज्य की आवश्यकताएं हैं, उन आवश्यकताओं की पूर्ति की जाए, ये गृह मंत्रालय की जिम्मेवारी है.
नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि सभी राज्य सरकारों के मुख्यमंत्रियों की राय लेकर ही कोई फैसला आगे लेना चाहिए और उससे आसानी भी होती है कोई आदेश को लागू करने में. तो मुझे लगता है कि जो राज्य सरकारें अपनी राय दी होंगी उसके हिसाब से केंद्र सरकार का फैसला आएगा.
Well, 2 days left till the lockdown gets over in just 48 hours from now, the lockdown gets over. So I want to get you up to speed on what we're expecting right now. Where are things at and what do we expect from now? These are the big pointers that we have. 2 days left, 48 hours left. It's been over 2 months. Most people have lost count of how long we've been in the lockdown. Does Lockdown 5.0 basically translate as Open Up 1.0? Are we rushing the gun and jumping the gun by saying that? I'll tell you why that's not an exaggeration. June is going to be India's most crucial month, ladies and gentlemen. This is the month, remember, when most experts have said that our COVID-19 cases are going to peak, and that's the reason why the decisions taken by Modi after he meets with Shah today, he already has, and fine-tunes those changes, will make all the difference. As India's COVID-19 cases are spiking very, very hard, they're increasing day by day, Modi's toughest 48 hours in the pandemic present themselves. What opens up and what remains shut is the key. Will Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, address India before the 1st of June? I've got you a big preview coming up on Open Up India 1.0. Stay tuned. Next few minutes, you'll have a full briefing on what.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.